Guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. So today we'll be making this cute duck using the yellow color papers. Stick its legs, beaks and the eyes as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take a round paper of white and blue color, paste them together. So here we are making the bunny, stick its eyes and it's ready. Next, we will take the yellow color papers like this and stick them together to make a bird, make its wings, eyes and its tail. I hope you liked it. So next we'll be making a honeybee. For that we'll stick yellow and black color sheets like this, stick its eyes and wings, make it sting and it's ready. Next take a clay like this and roll it to paste it over the fruit foam net like this. Make its eyes, make its ears, make its hands and legs and your craft is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a red color paper, paste it on the green sheet like this. Make the hat of the girl, stick its legs and hands, make the balloon on her hand using the clay and your picture is ready. Next, take a blue sheet, cut it like this as shown in the video. Take a green color paper, stick it like this, make the stems and your flower pot is ready. Next, we will take a pink color clay, make the bird out of it like this. So here we are making an ostrich. So make the grass using the green color clay, spread it using the fork and your ostrich is ready. Next, take a red color paper, fold it like this. So here we are making a crab, cut it and make the frills in the between like this. Fix it. Now make its leg, take its eyes and your crab is ready. Next, take the yellow color paper, make the frills out of it and fold it and paste it like this to make a wheel. So here we are making a cycle. Now take the straw to make its handle and its body. Make the seat using the clay and your cycle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take the colorful papers like this, fold it and paste it. Now make few more as such and paste all of them together as shown in the video. Now we will take a yellow color paper to make its handle, roll it and paste it on the side like this as shown in the video. After that, we will cut its upper part and your umbrella is ready. Next, we will make a cute mouse. So first we will take a paper, cut it out like this and make its ears, stick its eyes and its mouth. Now stick its body and its tail and your mouse is ready. Next, take a green color triangle paper and draw the eyes and mouth on it. Now draw the lines like this, make its hands and legs, make few more as such and your craft is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a red round paper and cut it into 4 pieces. Now paste it over the yellow sheet. Now make its base. So here we are making a watermelon. Draw the black dots on it, decorate it and it's ready. Next, take a green color paper and draw the lines on it like this. Make few more as such and paste them like this. Put the white color clay over it like this and put some things and decorate it and your beautiful craft will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making the flower basket. For that, we will take a brown paper, draw the check lines on it, make its handle, paste the leaves, make the flowers using the glaze, paste it over the basket and it's ready. Thanks for watching.